Okay, so finally we are in the challenge 3, which is Splunk. Splunk is basically a tool that let us search, monitor, analyze, and visual machine generated data in real time. This is mainly used by the SOC team. So what we will be doing in this challenge is, let me tell you the story actually by using this video. Let's say this is the valley, and here there will be a Christmas on December 25. The company TBFC, the best festival company, is busy preparing for the big celebration for the Christmas. Everything was going smoothly, but something bad happened. The SOC dashboard, which means this Security Operation Center dashboard, went like red, and a message pops up which says that you have to pay like 100 coins. As you can see, this is a SOC dashboard and it turned red. They are asking for the 100 HopSock coin. So this is basically sent by the HopSock Island leader. He sent some of his buddies to hack the TBFC system and turn Christmas into his new holiday. And now he's asking the money or the coin to make it back to Christmas. So what we will be doing is using the Splunk to determine how the ransomware attack that they are asking money now started, and we will also analyze all the logs and every stuff. So we have given the virtual machine, and that there is a in which we will use the Splunk software that has the pre-defined, like pre-ingested data where we will do these stuff. So I hope that makes sense. If not, you can watch this video. And so let's start the machine and let's get started. So the machine will take some time. In the meantime, we will click on the check to complete the task, and then we will move to this task 2. So the virtual machine is boot up. So what we will do next is copy this link. This is actually the Splunk software link, and then we will paste it here to open it, and then we will follow the steps that's being given to us in the task 2 step by step to complete the challenge. So after starting the virtual machine and pasting the link that's given to us over here, let me show you this link. We get similar kind of window. So what we will be doing next is to follow their step by step instruction to complete this challenge. So as mentioned in the instruction, they say click here, and then we will type index equal main, and then what we will do is to set the time period to all time, and then click on the search. So we got this result after clicking on the search. These are basically logs from 2 different databases or source types. We can check it out. As you can see, this is from web traffic and this one is from firewall logs. We can over here see one is web traffic, another is firewall logs. Next what we will do is, now we will specify the database to web traffic. So let me write here source type equal web traffic. Okay, I forgot the underscore. Let's click on the search now. So these are all the logs only from the web traffic source. While doing this, we need to keep question in mind, so we will answer these as we go through all of this. So we have got a bunch of stuff over here. This one is search query. This is a time range. This is a histogram, that's all of the event over time. This shows the source type and the source and the host. And over here in the interesting field is the client IP, agent path, and over here it's event detail. We can also type in the search bar this. What this does is it will group all the event by day. So let's click on the see, these are the dates and these are the events or logs that happen on that specific days. We can also click on the visualization that also shows the histogram. See, on Sunday, October 12th, there that much events or logs. Okay, so as given in the instruction, and we type this in the search and press enter, we will get the result, same result, but this is descending order, like most event to least event. And after this we will go and click on the user over here. This will show all the user agent in the logs, and then as you can see over here, these are the user agent. These are all. And next we have is the client IP. These are all the IPs of the client. When you click on it, you will see a list of, and we have the path option. What this has is that keeps the record of what URL are being requested and accessed by the client IPs. So let's exclude the real legitimate. In the instruction they have given us, so I have copied it and let's put it in the search. As you can see, I have pasted the query in the search, and now let me press enter and see what we will get. So we have excluded all the legit user agent. Now if we click on the client IP, we'll get only one IP. This means that for all the suspicious activity, this one IP is responsible. We need to copy the IP because we will need it for further queries and stuff in this challenge. So this is the IP, so I have just copied the IP. Now since we got the IP of the attacker, we will now track the attack. What we will do first is that, let me show you. We will copy this from here and then put it in the search box. We will use the attacker IP as the client IP, so I will just client IP over here. So the IP is 192.1, so 192.51.100.55. let's press enter. It's actually 198. As you can see, the curl and confirm that attacker used low level. So what we will do is we will type this in the search box, write the IP of what they show is that exactly each and everything that the attacker is trying to access. We can also check if the attacker has done the SQL injection attack or not by this query. See it 190.51.100. See, the attacker has tried the SQL injection. From here you can see these are all the SQL injection. Next we will see if the attacker has tried to download something or not. We will use this. This is all the part of the challenge. 198.51.100.55. As you can see, the attacker has tried to access these. Next we will use the following query in the search. Let me write the IP here, 198.51.100.55. so what this shows that it confirms a successful web shell. The attacker has actually gained full control over the web server and is also able to run commands. This type of attack is called remote code execution or RCE. Next we will change source type to firewall and do the following query. Let's change this to the client IP or the attacker IP, 198.51.100.55. so what this all says is that in simple term, the attacker has got the access to the web server. Next we will see how much data is transferred from the web server to the C2. So for that we will use this query and we will change this to the client IP 500.55. See, this much bytes have been transferred to the C2. We need to remember this one. So almost we have covered the challenge. Now we need to answer those questions. So let's go there. We have just copied that bytes. We will paste it over here and click on the check. And we also know the attacker IP, which is 198.500.55, and we need to check the peak traffic in the logs. So for that we have used one query. Let me use it again. This is the query that shows the event, and we will click on the visualization. So the date is 12 October 2025, 10 and 12. Correct. The next one is how many time there is a user user agent in the event found in the log. So for that, let's go and let me show you. We'll go to the we will go to the events, and then over here we will search for the user agent. This is here. Let's click on this. This is the user agent, and it's been 993 times. So we will type that here, 993. And for the final answer, we also have, for that we have also query. Let's again search that. Type the client IP, and then I'll just press enter. So for that we have this query, actually this one. So let's type the client IP over here, and we will get our answer, 198.51.100.55. so as you can see, actually it's the 6581. So let's, and almost we have done it. So finally we have done this challenge as well. I'll see you in the next one.